Tintable's electrochromic lenses, shapes and dimensions can be customized. But another thing that can be customized is the control pattern that we put in it. For example, here we have a 3 stages pattern. That allows us to go from 70% to 43% of light transmittance if we press once. If you press another time, you can go from 43% to 25% of light transmittance. But here we have a 5 stages pattern. That allows you to choose between 5 different levels. But the good thing with that is that you don't need to follow a specific order. You can go from 1 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 1, it's totally up to you. Now here we have a new development of ours. This is a stepless adjustment. You can keep pressing the button until the exact light transmittance that you want to reach. If you stop, it stops. But another good thing with that is that it's still compatible with other type of pattern. That means that if you feel like it's not convenient to keep pressing the button, you can just press once and it goes to the next stage. And now we have a very small IC that is here that allows us to integrate our electrochromic lenses on different types of frames, even the smallest ones. So we can integrate on frames like these sunglasses. And here, if I take those sunglasses, that looks like very regular sunglasses, by the way, I can just press one button on the side and it will color by itself. That's the future of eyewear, electrochromism.